Dear students, welcome to my channel, Dr. V.R. Pudili, Professor of Management and Economics. In this video, I am dealing with isoquants, definition and assumptions, isoquant schedule, isoquant curve, isoquant map, properties of isoquants, forms or types of isoquants. Isoquants. Isoquants are very much useful in explaining long-run production function or returns to scale. The word isoquant is derived from quantity and the Greek word iso meaning equal. An isoquant curve is also known as isoproduct curve or equal product curve or production indifference curve. Let us now deal with definitions of isoquant. First definition. An isoquant curve is a curve representing the various combinations of two inputs that produce the same amount of output. Second definition. An isoquant curve is the locus of points representing various combinations of two inputs, namely capital and labor, yielding same level of output. Third definition. An isoquant curve shows all possible combinations of inputs physically capable of producing given level of output. Let us now deal with assumptions of isoquants. 1. There are only two inputs, namely labor L and capital K, to produce a commodity. 2. Both inputs, labor, capital, and also output are perfectly divisible. 3. Both labor and capital are substitutes but not perfect substitutes. 4. The state of technology is given and constant. 5. Factors of production can be used with maximum efficiency. Dear students, in this slide, I had explained isoquant schedule. Isoquant schedule is a schedule of different combinations of factors of production yielding the same quantity of output. In the schedule, I had taken 4 columns. In column 1, I had shown combination. In column 2, I had shown units of capital. In column 3, I had shown units of labor. And in column 4, I had shown units of output. In combination A, units of capital are 5, units of labor is 1, and the output is 100. In combination B, we can see units of capital 4 and units of labor 2, yielding same level of output of 100. Similarly, in combination C, units of capital 3, units of labor 3, and the output remains same at 100. Similarly, in combination D, units of capital 2, units of labor 4, and output remained at 100. In combination E, units of capital is 1, units of labor 5, and output is 100. We can observe that different combinations of factors of production yielding the same quantity of output of 100. Isoquant curve. Isoquant curve is a curve of different combinations of factors of production yielding the same quantity of output. Here in this diagram, I have taken units of labor on x-axis, units of capital on y-axis. We can see that isoquant curve is downward sloping from left to right. Isoquant map. A family of isoquants can be represented by an isoquant map. A graph combining a number of isoquants, each representing a different quantity of output, is called isoquant map. Here in the diagram, I had taken labor on x-axis, capital on y-axis. I had shown 4 isoquants here, namely IQ1, IQ2, IQ3, IQ4. We can also observe that IQ1 is representing 100 units of output, IQ2 is representing 200 units of output, IQ3 is representing 300 units of output, IQ4 is representing 400 units of output. As we move from left to right, we can observe that the output is increasing in isoquant map. Let us now deal with properties of isoquants and forms or types of isoquants. Properties of isoquants. 1. Isoquants are downward sloping from left to right and have negative slope. 2. Isoquants are convex to the origin. 3. No two isoquants never intersect or touch each other. 4. Upper isoquant represent higher level of output. 5. No isoquant touch either axis. And 6. Isoquants need not be parallel to each other. Forms or types of isoquants. Isoquants may assume various shapes depending upon degree of substitutability of inputs. There are 4 important forms or types of isoquants. 1. Linear isoquants. 2. Input-output isoquants. 3. Kinked isoquants. 4. Smooth isoquants. 1. Linear isoquants. Linear isoquants represent perfect substitutability of factors of production. The MRTS, the marginal rate of technical substitution between L and K, is constant. 2. Input-output isoquants. Input-output isoquants represent zero substitutability of factors of production. 3. Kinked isoquants. Kinked isoquants represent limited substitutability of factors of production. 4. Smooth isoquants. Smooth isoquants represent continuous substitutability of factors of production. Dear students, I had shown different figures of forms or types of isoquants. First figure relates to linear isoquants. It represents perfect substitutability of factors of production. You can see the linear curve sloping downwards from left to right. Second figure relates to input-output isoquants, which show zero substitutability. We can observe L-shaped curve in this figure. Third figure relates to kinked isoquants. If the factors of production show limited substitutability, we get this kind of isoquants. The fourth figure relates to smooth isoquants, which is showing continuous substitutability of factors of production. Dear students, in this video, I had dealt with isoquants, definition and assumptions, isoquant schedule, isoquant curve, isoquant map, properties of isoquants, forms or types of isoquants. Thank you.